going backwards holding a camera. Doing a total random beach trip. We didn't even know this was happening until like 10 o'clock this morning. Do you think driving like 10 or like 9 hours round trip to spend a day and a half at the beach?
Okay, typically I would say yes, but since technically it's fall and we're trying to soak up the last little bits of sunshine,
Yeah.
I'm gonna say no, it's not crazy.
We're like stealing a day and a half of summer. Well, you're with me, the world's best driver, so you can just happily fall asleep and I'll get us there in one piece. I'm doing the best I can to frame this up.
Well, you keep cutting off like my face.
Well, I can't be
I don't have to be in
Steven
it. You
Spielberg
can just like
while I'm driving at
do
70
your own
miles an
show.
hour.
Do your own show.
See,
I
look,
don't
I'm
have
trying.
to be a part of it.
You want to be front and center. I'm just the assistant here who holds the camera.
I even told you I could hold the camera, and you wouldn't let me. Look, I bet you're cutting my face off right now.
Maybe a little bit. I'm operating a vehicle traveling at 73 miles an hour.
I volunteered to hold that for you. I even told you I would stick it in the corner.
It doesn't stay there.
It stayed there when we were first starting.
It fell over.
Okay.
Here, watch a replay right now of it falling over.
Okay, still.
But this is getting good now. He's so tall and handsome as hell. He's so bad, but he does it so well.
Do you think about me when you sing this?
Yes.
Say you'll remember me. Give me that kiss, sweet love. Sweet love.
Yeah, I can drive, no problem. I don't care about driving. This is the drive that never ends. Yes, it goes on and on, my friends. Nicole and Jordan started driving it to get to Seaside. And they continued driving it forever just because this is the drive that doesn't end. Yes, it goes on.
All right, how much further do we have?
2 hours.
2 hours. I feel like we've been driving for about 18 hours.
Well,
Okay, we made it, folks. If you can believe it, we have made it.
let me type in our little code here to get into our garage. Man, that was a haul.
We made it.
All right, next morning at the beach. We woke up early for me. It's like what, 7:45? We gotta maximize the day. It's our only full day here.
Let's do it.
Look, we found our little friend.
It's so cute. He's just little because here's my finger. What?
He probably started like 2 inches back like 5 hours ago.
Hanging out at the beach.
We're here. We're stealing a day of summer. So you had a little run-in with a crab, I hear?
I picked it up. I did it. I screamed the whole time, but I did it. His back legs touched me. I don't know how to do it. Do his back legs hurt, Mom? No. They just point. The aerobie flying disc, our favorite pastime here at the beach. Oh, come on, Nicole! There she goes. This happens a lot. I make perfect throws and, people just can't catch them.
Come on, Nicole, right here. Got it. Hey, don't go too far out. I don't want to come out and save you.
You wouldn't run that far out.
You know I would. All right, this is the game. We wait until the water like sucks out really far, which it's doing right now, see?
Hold your ground.
And then we run back out here and wait for the next wave, and then we run away from it. That's the game, right?
Yeah.
All right. Oh man, look at this. Look at how far it's going out.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, we gotta do it. We gotta do it. I'm going backwards holding a camera. That's all.
I'm last.
Does Apple Care cover frolicking in the waves? Drop my phone. Duh. The wave got you. You lose.
I'm soaking wet now. Not tall enough.
No, the not tall enough excuse.
I can't.
For running in the waves? Come on. I could see that holding true maybe in basketball or
Everything in life. You better watch out.
Oh yeah, what's gonna happen? You want me to turn around? Turn around? Ah! Ah!
Oh.
Game over. Fall at the beach. Can't beat it.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Oh, you
gosh.
better.
Oh. No, I'm so wet. I wasn't expecting that. Just want to point out, everyone, that it comes to Jordan's knees, so you know where it's at on
What
me.
goes up to your waist goes up to my ankles.
Yeah, exactly.
Frolicked on the beach all day.
Popcorn.
Favorite
fudge.
restaurant, Voltano's. Popcorn. And we got some wood.
Firewood.
Do a little fire on the beach tonight. Last, I guess it's our last
3
day at the
hours?
beach. Yeah, our last 3 hours at the beach.
Here we are, heading out.
It's sad. Hey, 5 hours of driving. You know me, I'll drive anywhere for however long it takes.
Well, we'll just have to wait and see if he starts singing towards home.
All right, we got like 10 minutes left in the drive. What do you think? What's the payoff there? 10 hours round trip and driving for 1 day at the beach.
1.5 days, yes.
1.5 days.
It's worth it.
Well worth it in my opinion.
So I'm ready to go home. Goodbye to summer.